Assalamu alaikum. Yeah, welcome back all. This is your African boys, and we are back again with same brother as usual. Yeah, welcome Mohib
From Sudan.
Yeah.
That's Gabi.
from South Sudan.
Welcome
Yeah, welcome back everyone. Previous we reacted to so many videos of Bangladesh.
Yeah.
We reacted to the capital city, Dhaka, and we also reacted to we also reacted to the Bangladesh
Pakistan.
versus
Independent
Pakistan and Independent Day. So
Yeah.
anyway, happy Independent Days. It's already been
Independent
done. So today we are checking top 10 cities of Bangladesh. That is video of 2020. I hope it will, I don't know if they will change the city within 1 year.
I don't guess so.
We are in,
It will be same.
it will be the same, right?
Mhm.
It's now 2023.
Yeah.
So we are going to check as African and we will see how is it like, how amazing is the city or the country. Yeah,
We'll do our react.
yeah, without wasting time, if you want to watch our vlogs also, check Gabs Gabi TV and let's go.
Here we go.
Top 10 city
of
Bangladesh. Number 1, Dhaka, capital city.
Allah sama.
Let's do soda.
Allah sama.
We give soda to one. Okay. This is Dhaka, the capital city actually.
It's really amazing.
Flying B, YouTube. Flying B.
Christian, Muslim.
We already reacted
Yeah.
to the Dhaka. We saw the city, guys. So we want to see other cities. They also have nice city they call Lahore.
And the high Nile.
Yeah.
River.
Yeah, that night, right?
Mhm.
Yeah, so I think we only know Dhaka and Lahore from Bangladesh. So we'll see the other
How
8.
many states in Bangladesh?
We don't know. Let us know, guys. Even me, I don't know how
Drop
many
your
states.
comment.
How many states in Bangladesh, guys?
Drop your comment down and let us know.
Yes, sir.
Number 2.
Chittagong. This is the second one, Chittagong. Wow, it has
That's the river.
and that bridge like Hyderabad one.
Yeah, it's same.
Yeah, it's looking like Hyderabad bridge.
The night.
Wow. Yeah, the night view is amazing.
It's really amazing.
This is beautiful.
See the
The
bridge.
bridge is separated left and
This
right.
building
Chittagong.
like Chinese name.
Yeah, it's looking like Chinese name. Chittagong.
Kung Fu.
Kung Shaolin. What is the third one?
Statement.
They have stadium, yeah. I think it's cricket. Kulna. Is the third one. Kulna. You can see.
Naik.
Yeah, Kulna. This is Kulna. Wow, this is amazing, right? Just like
Night
the
view.
nice
It's really
view.
amazing. It's really pretty.
Chittagong, Kulna, Dhaka, Rashani.
Horse.
Wow, this is look like kind of a natural place. Rashani, Chittagong, Kulna.
You like what you see?
Silhid.
Top view.
Wow.
Lovely. But one more thing. All the states they have river and bridge.
They have that big Nile
Yeah,
along the country, I think.
I guess so.
Yeah.
But we don't know the name of this line.
It's really like, okay.
This place you are,
So
you plan to go outside for holiday, you have to visit this place.
Yeah, it's nice. looking like Kerala.
Exactly.
Rangpur.
Rangpur. Moscow.
Rangpur Cadet College. This is the college.
It looks like Aditya College.
It looks like Indian college.
Yeah. Same design.
Yeah, same architecture. Masjid.
Moscow.
Night view. Orisha.
Number 7. Masjid.
I think then I think
A lot of masjid.
I think
Anywhere, whatever you go, you find masjid.
I think the first one would be Lahore.
The first one.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Yes, you have to.
Lahore or Dhaka will be the best, I think, because Dhaka is the capital city. Then Lahore is also most visited place in Bangladesh.
Yeah.
Also, Indian they
Like
go
Kerala.
and make movies here.
Lahore.
Yeah, Lahore. Lahore is kind of a historical place.
Okay. But
No, not
everywhere
Lahore.
they have special views. So
Lahore is not. No. I think Lahore is not in.
Bangladesh.
Not in Bangladesh. It's Pakistan.
yeah.
I think I'm wrong. Yeah. Let's see.
Lahore is not there because till
Yeah.
now we don't find we didn't
Yeah.
find that name.
I'm just saying Lahore. See.
Omaila.
Sorry guys.
My bad.
Yeah, my bad. Lahore is a city in Pakistan, I think so.
Drop your comment here. Let
Yeah.
us know. If am I wrong or is wrong?
Because I reacted to a lot of Pakistan videos, that's why I got confused. Yeah, between Bangladesh and Pakistan.
No, I understand.
Sing. Like Arabic, not Arabic, something like that.
No, I don't
Not
think so.
Arabic, is it?
Not close even.
Yeah.
Number 10.
Gazipur.
Gazipur.
This is Gazipur.
The last one.
This is the one that Gazipur. Okay, we'll stop here, and at least we saw the 10 cities,
Top.
top 10 cities of Bangladesh. Yeah, and for sure, always capital city used to be the best, and that was the first one. They put it the 10 one, right?
No.
They started from first to 10?
Yeah.
From first to 10. So the first one was Dhaka. Dhaka. We already saw the amazing view of Dhaka. And in this video also, almost they showed the same thing. The same video. But other than Dhaka, the name was little difficult, but I saw one is like, that one which is like a Chinese name, Chittagong or something like that.
Kung Fu.
Chittagong. It's just sounding like Chinese name,
Yeah.
but it's a nice city also. It's a nice
It
city.
look amazing.
And the other one which is looking like Kerala is
Kozapur, the last
something
one.
like that.
Kozapur, yeah.
Kozapur,
It's close to
looking like a Kerala, right? Indian city of India. Yeah, it was really amazing. Like, what? How do you see it? Like, compared to India? Huh? Like,
I guess there's
like,
some view
Yeah.
so amazing. It's just like breathtaking, understand? So when you compare it between India and Bangladesh, some like we have Kerala here, we have
yeah,
Taj Mahal, amazing place, but every place they have different view.
yes. See, most of the cities now we saw in Bangladesh, like every city they're having so many of trees and green,
like forts,
yeah, forest type, like they're kind of a greenery city.
river, but
River, like
yeah, in India I don't have that much
yeah,
of
yeah,
river.
yeah. I think Bangladesh can be a cool place also, not that hot like India
I
here.
don't guess so. In Sudan we have a lot of river,
Lot
like
of tree, not river, trees.
even North
Trees?
Yeah, you are right, you are right.
Because of trees. It will be like the temperature will not be that hot
Snows.
like India.
Yeah.
Yeah, according to the view we saw, guys, it's looking natural and beautiful, guys.
It look clean, so clean.
It's even looking clean, guys, and smart. So this is our own point of view from Africa, guys. Let us know. Let us know what do you think about that. And we just show like the names. Those names, are they given? I think they are Bengali. They named those city to Bengali, right?
But yeah, but this name is little different or little difficult.
Yeah,
I don't hate this
we just
before.
want to know like those names. Does it have any other meaning in Bengali words, or is just like
Like name.
Like a name? Okay. Thank you so much.
Drop
Love
a
from
comment.
Africa. Yeah, like, share, subscribe. Tata.